Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated Zenfone 11 and exploring the exciting features that are expected to make it a game-changer in the smartphone arena. Buckle up as we unravel the potential specs that might set the Zenfone 11 apart from the rest. First off, let's talk connectivity. The Zenfone 11 is expected to be a powerhouse with dual SIM support, offering 3G, 4G, and 5G compatibility. VoLTE ensures crystal-clear voice calls, while Wi-Fi and NFC capabilities provide seamless connectivity for a variety of tasks. Under the hood, the Zenfone 11 is rumored to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 octa-core processor, clocking in at a blazing 3.3 GHz. Paired with a substantial 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of inbuilt storage, this phone is poised to deliver lightning-fast performance and ample space for your apps and files. Powering the Zenfone 11 is a robust 4,500 mAh battery, ensuring extended usage without worrying about running out of power. The addition of 30W fast charging capability is a game-changer, minimizing downtime and keeping you on the go. Get ready for an immersive visual experience with a 6-inch display featuring a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The 144Hz display with a punch hole is set to deliver smooth visuals, making every swipe and interaction a delight. The camera setup on the Zenfone 11 is expected to be a photography powerhouse. A triple rear camera system featuring 50 megapixel plus 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel lenses promises versatility in capturing stunning shots. On the front, a high-resolution 32 megapixel camera is set to elevate your selfie game. Running the show is expected to be Android 14, ensuring the latest features and security updates. Unfortunately, there might be no FM radio, but with the plethora of connectivity options, the Zenfone 11 is ready to keep you connected in various ways. In conclusion, the Zenfone 11 seems poised to be a complete package, offering cutting-edge features in connectivity, processing power, battery life, display quality, and camera capabilities. As always, these are expected features, so stay tuned for the official release to get the full scoop. That wraps up our sneak peek into the upcoming Zenfone 11. What feature are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you're eagerly awaiting the Zenfone 11. Subscribe for more tech updates, and we'll catch you in the next one. See you, bye-bye.